What do you think of Wilkins Coffee?
I never tasted it. No, I don't like coffee. What's the club for?
You're not all there.
Oh, that's a lot of...
Do you drink Wilkins Coffee?
No. Can't say that I do.
Do you drink Nash's coffee?
No. Oh, just give me the pie.
Because it always hits the spot.
Is it hard to do?
How about the Wilkins Coffee?
I forgot that too.
Hard and feathered, right?
I wouldn't touch it.
Give him the eggs, boy.
I don't want any. But I don't drink Wilkins coffee.
Some learn, some don't. I've got a can of Wilkins Coffee. How about a delicious cup of Wilkins Coffee?
No.
Then let me fix your set.
You can't win.
You know, a house isn't a home without Wilkins Coffee.
No.
How shocking. He always was a cut-up.
I'm ready. Shoot. Wilkins makes good coffee. Better coffee. I'll never touch the stuff.
Bang.
Who needs it?